Hello my beautiful rosebuds, welcome back to the channel and happy holidays. So in today's video I am bringing you guys some holiday outfits for all of my small chested and short girls out there. Did you know we gotta stick together? I don't know if it's just me, but whenever I think of the holidays and putting together a holiday outfit, I always just associate that with looking sexy and wearing bodycon sexy glittery dresses. It might just be me because I live in LA and I'm right there next to Hollywood, so maybe I see it so often, but I feel like a lot of people could agree that society makes you feel that in order to look beautiful you have to have a nice chest and big butt and just nice body overall in general. But I am here to hopefully change your mind about that. Back in the day I was a little self-conscious about putting together a holiday outfit, mainly because when I would go online and shop for an outfit I would see the model and I'd be like, I don't know, that might not look good on me because I don't have that body type. But you know, over the years I've gotten over it and I feel like I've learned different ways of how to conquer it and just embrace my body. So if you guys feel like you're on the same boat or have felt a little self-conscious about your chest size and maybe even your height, I am here to help you. I just know that I've experimented a lot with my body and the different types of outfits that I've worn, and I feel like I've just found what works best for me. So for this video I partnered up with Nasty Gal to bring you 20 holiday outfits that are small chested friendly and height short what? I don't even know what to call us. Short people friendly? I mean, that just, I don't know, that kind of sounds not so fun. But anyways, so thank you to Nasty Gal for sponsoring this video. They are a great spot if you guys are trying to find cute, affordable clothes, and they drop new styles every week. Currently, they have a lot of new holiday stuff on their website, so definitely check that out. And any items that I feature in this video will be linked down at the bottom in my description box, as always. Before we jump into this video, I just want to give you guys my body type just for reference, so you guys know what you're looking at, I guess. So I am a size 32A in my bra size. I am also 110 and I am 5'1", so I am pretty close to the ground. Yeah, thank you to my boyfriend for always making me look tall in my Instagram photos. Alright, so we have a ton of outfits to get through, so let's get started. Alright, tip number one, obvious tip, is to wear some chunky knit sweaters. Not everyone wants to be sexy, so I think a really cute holiday outfit is to wear a chunky knit sweater with some jeans and some boots, and it doesn't alter your body type because we do have a flat chest. It kind of just, you know, lays there, kind of like you're throwing it over a 12-year-old boy. But whatever. So I would wear this outfit all the time, especially if it's cold in your area. But if you guys are fully covered up with that chunky sweater and some jeans, I highly suggest doing something to show off your waist. So some high-waisted pants or a belt to cinch in that waist. You could also wear a dog. Oh my gosh. You could also wear that chunky sweater with You can also wear this chunky sweater, this dog. You guys could also wear an oversized sweater but still look a little sexy. You want to show off some skin, you know. You could just throw on some high-waisted shorts and some thigh-high boots. I feel like just adding those two pieces to your outfit really turn a basic knit sweater into, you know, something that's a whole nother vibe, and you look a little bit taller while you're at it. This is my Christmas version because, you know, I just love obnoxious holiday sweaters and I wanted to show it to you guys. Okay, so tip number two is wear lingerie as tops. This is probably one of my favorite tips because a lot of small chested girls don't know that it's such an advantage to be able to have a small chest and wear lingerie as casual wear. I love wearing bralettes and lace bodysuits out in public, and I don't think I've ever had anyone say, oh my gosh girl, you need to cover up, like that's too scandalous. And that's because it doesn't come off too sexy because, you know, there's like nothing too sexy, and I think that's pretty much a compliment, I think. So in this outfit, I'm wearing a lace bodysuit with some wide leg satin pants. Whenever I wear lingerie as casual wear, I like to balance the outfit so it's not too sexy. That's why I usually wear really baggy jeans or something like this that's really big and flowy at the bottom. And same thing for this blazer dress. I'm just wearing a bralette underneath, but because my blazer is so boxy and so long, I think it's pretty appropriate for a company holiday outfit. Also, you guys, this snake purse will be making a comeback in every single outfit. Like 90% of these outfits will have this snake bag, mainly because I love it so much and it goes with every single outfit, so I'm so sorry. And to give you guys a different look on a blazer dress, I paired it with some matching dress shorts and I put a belt around it, and now it's a totally different vibe and a whole nother look. So if you're not really into being sexy but still want to feel like you dressed up, then I feel like this would be a great outfit. Okay, so since we're on the topic of wearing lingerie as part of your holiday outfit, if you want to wear lingerie but don't want to show too much skin, may I suggest wearing a mesh or sheer top. It's kind of like a peekaboo of being sexy. sexy but not too sexy. Oh my god, I need a new adjective. My vocabulary is literally elementary level. I am just being honest. And to make it a little festive for this Christmas season, I'm wearing a floral lace bralette. Okay, so I got another hack for you guys. If you watched my original first small chested tips video, I mentioned that I actually use Band-Aids instead of pasties. It's great because it's like super cheap. This is still probably my favorite hack because it is skin tone colored, but I do know because they are Band-Aids, they are meant to stay on your skin for quite a long time. Sometimes you just need something that's a quick fix and very temporary. So I was at my local dollar store and I found this medical tape. I don't know what its main purpose is, but it was in the beauty and health section next to the lotions and Band-Aids. So I'm assuming that it's okay to use for your skin. And now I just cut a strip of it off and then put it on my nipples, and I've been using this ever since. I will try to link it at the bottom. I found out my dollar store, so I don't know how to link it, but I will try to find a dupe for you guys. Yeah, I will try my best, okay? Alright, so next tip. This is a PSA from the president of the Itty Bitty Titty Committee Club. It is okay to wear deep V's and or anything that shows off your chest. It is totally fine. You don't need a big chest or some cleavage to wear anything that is low cut. I know it takes time to, you know, build up confidence of actually wearing deep V's if you have a small chest, but I'm here to let you know that it is possible. You can do it. I believe in you. And you know, if you do want to wear something that shows off your chest but you're still feeling a little self-conscious, then you could also wear some bottoms that would be the main focus and accent of your outfit. So maybe a plaid skirt or some bright plaid pants. That way the eyes will be drawn to your bottoms and not necessarily your top. And surprise, surprise, look what I'm pairing with this outfit. So I know with cowl necks, I know it's really hard to wear it because it is just like an open neckline. But if you do have a small chest, I don't see anything wrong with it. I think it is perfectly fine to wear. You'll obviously just need to add some tape, you know, to the top so you don't bend over and there's a nip slip. But I think cowl necks are great because it is a little ambiguous right here when you are wearing a cowl neck, since it doesn't cling onto your chest and it doesn't really show off your chest size. All right, last tip for my small chested girls is to show off different parts of your body. For me, I've noticed when I show different skin areas or show different parts of my body, my eye is usually drawn to that area and away from everything else. So for example, in this outfit, I'm wearing a really big puffy sleeve top with my midriff showing, so my eye is mainly drawn to my shoulders because like, damn girl, that is one puffy ass shoulder, and my skin area because those are just kind of focal points, and it's not really being drawn to my chest, so my eye isn't really looking in that area. Also, thank you to my boo David for teaching me how to do a double spin in stilettos. Okay, I'm like terrible at it still, but you know, practice makes perfect. Also, PS, since we're on the topic of embracing our bodies, if you guys ever want to take a heels class, hit your girl up because I like dancing in heels, and if you guys want to take a heels class together and don't want to be alone, let me know. Also, this outfit does my legs a great favor because my pants that I'm wearing are high-waisted and they are long and bell-bottom, so it elongates my legs and makes me look a little taller. Which leads me to my second half of this video, which is the first tip of how to look taller, and that is wearing some high-waisted long pants. I especially like these pants because one, they're snake print, so my eye is just drawn to that crazy print, and it makes my legs look a lot longer than they usually are. Also, with any type of long bell-bottom pants, the type of shoe that you wear matters. So for example, these white boots, they're really cute. I love them with this outfit. However, they make my pants stop at a certain point, and I feel like it doesn't let my pants lay as long as it could be. So when I switch to a more arched and taller heel, my pants are able to stretch out to their full potential, making my legs look longer. And since I'm wearing a taller heel, it makes me taller in general. If you guys aren't into wearing long bell-bottom pants, then you guys could also wear leggings like this. And I find that wearing vertical stripes on your leggings make your legs look a lot longer as well. Also, wearing two accents on your top and on your bottom elongate everything in the middle more. So I'm wearing this bright mustard coat as an accent on top, and then my white booties are accent on the bottom, and it helps to stretch out everything else in the middle so I look a little taller. So tip number 2 for my short girls is to wear mini dresses. I feel like wearing mini dresses, in my opinion, is a go-to because us short people have to show a lot more leg in order to look a little taller. And I also suggest getting a pair of clear heels because clear heels will help make your legs look as long as they can be, whereas if you wear black booties or black heels, it tends to cut off your leg at a certain point when it starts. So another tip is to use ruching if you're not fully comfortable in wearing a full-on short mini dress. So for example, I'm using this dress that I got on Nasty Gal, which is honestly my new favorite. I wish I could buy it in 20 other colors. But anyway, so I'm ruching one side of it just to show you how you can really show off your leg. And even one leg has such an effect. Like, oh my gosh, look at that side leg. Like, wow. Also, this ruching is a great hack for your butt. I know this is a leg hacks video, but it's starting to look like a butt hacks video, if you know what I mean. Okay, so tip number 3 is just because you're short doesn't mean you can't wear maxi dresses. I think as long as you have a high enough slit and really show off that leg, you guys can make any maxi dress work. I was also playing around with the styling for this dress, and I styled it with some thigh-high boots. To be honest, I kind of like it. That's kind of just like a styling tip anyways. So another hack for some maxi dresses. For us short people, we always trip on maxi dresses. I feel like these types of dresses are just not made for anyone that's 5'3" and under. So a hack is if your dress has a good section for a cinched in waist, then I would suggest getting a really long piece of elastic, tying it around your waist, and then carefully tucking in the material of the waist area until the dress length shortens up. Luckily, my dress that I'm using has a little peplum on the waist area, so I was able to hide the fabric under there. And what's great is that the elastic holds up the material, but it also cinches in your waist. Another hack is that, as you've seen in a lot of the outfits in this video, I like to wear thigh-high boots because it makes my legs look a little longer. However, if you guys don't want to buy some thigh-high boots, then you guys could use any black boot that you have in your closet and just wear some thigh-high socks, and it turns out to be a great alternative. Alright, tip number 4 is wearing sheer tights. If you guys have been following me for a while, I literally wear thigh-high boots and oversized sweaters all the time. Like, that is literally my uniform. But if you guys ever do that, you have to be mindful of where the top and where the sweater stops. So if your sweater is a little long, like it goes past your thigh, and then you wear thigh-high boots with it, it might actually make you look a little stubbier. So if that ever happens, then I like to wear some sheer tights, and I like to wear them with pumps instead. Wearing sheer tights shows off the leg, but you're making it holiday appropriate because you're not showing all that skin. With wearing tights, another hack that I like to use is I like to use that to hike up my skirts. Not a lot of people will agree with this, but I do it all the time. So since I'm wearing tights, it covers up my butt more, so I'm able to bring my skirt up about like 1 or 2 inches more. For example, I usually wear my high-waisted skirts where my belly button ends, but when I wear tights, I like to wear them a little bit higher. That way it shows off a lot more leg without flashing anyone. And so for my last outfit, I saved this one for last, not just because it's like super extra, but because it's the MVP of all the outfits that I've shown you guys today. It's this bedazzled sheer velvet maxi dress, and I say it's the MVP because it shows off so many tips and so many things that I talked about in today's video. So we got the thigh-high boots, we got the maxi dress, and the bralette as a top, and the bedazzled sleeves, and just like so much. And I feel like it's such a perfect example of a great holiday outfit and just embracing your body and also embracing your extraness. And you know, since it's the holidays, I feel like wearing my Spanx as bottoms, it's pretty normal, it's appropriate. I would wear it at my own family party, and I really like the high thigh cut because it really shows off a lot more leg versus a basic pair of shorts. And that concludes my whole holiday outfits video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys were able to get some outfit inspos for your Christmas and your New Year's Eve parties. I really hope this video inspired you guys to try new things and try something different, especially if you have a small chest and if you are short. Remember, you guys are beautiful no matter what, and you're beautiful in your own body and your own skin. I am totally not against getting plastic surgery. I've said this plenty of times in my videos. Just make sure you're doing it for yourself and not for anyone else to say that you're beautiful. Also, don't forget to check out the links of all the items featured in today's video from Nasty Gal. If you guys want to connect with me, all my socials are at the Nava Rose. Oh my gosh, the fly! Oh. Why did I think that fly was gonna attack me? I think it's just so big right now. Like, where did you come from? And I also think it like went in front of my light, so it seemed like it was the size of a bird. I think that's my cue to end this video. I love you guys all so freaking very much. Happy holidays, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me.